You see these beautiful bird pictures in magazines and wonder, how do they get that stuff? Well, you're onto something because there is a trick. Birds are wary and don't just sit around for portraits. So bird photographers often use calling to bring them close. Electronic calls employ a species-owned sound or sometimes a racket that lures birds into a mob response. Small speakers, digital calling apps, iPads, or cell phones are easy to carry and help lure birds into the open. I've even had amazing responses where a wild bird landed on my finger when looking for the sounds. You can turn barren scenes like this into bird hotspots in 10 minutes. Calling can be simple, done with your own voice, or sophisticated with electronic gear. The advantage of digital calling is the variety of instant sounds that can be dialed up as needed. Usually, birds appear within 5 minutes, but be ready. They flit about quickly when they come close, seldom sitting still. So you'll need to be fast with your camera or binoculars. Good luck keeping them in focus. When nothing is there to see, birds lose interest quickly. I try to select calling spots with colorful berries or seeds. That way, a bird may begin to feed. The color and natural behavior adds much to your experience. Even larger birds like raptors can be called close as they look for their own sounds or possible food. Calling is a great way to make close connections with birds. Give it a try on your next outing. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.